Oh, the lamb.
I'm worried he's gonna hurt his teeth. Kill the gun. 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 Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill the gun. Kill the gun.
I like how he can pick it up. He's a mini Al Capone.
Kill the gun. Kill it.
He's like, no, cannot get. Cannot get. We're a mighty dog. He's got a crappy little bark. Oh, you're gonna kill him.
Kill it. Kill it. Get the gun.
Come on, get it.
Get it.
Get it. Get it.
Get it. Get it. Jump. Jump. You know, jump.
If I can get in there, you can too.
Come on. Take it.
He's like, I know what you're fucking doing.
Oh, I know why he's killing it. It's like your vacuum cleaner.
Oh my god, yeah. But it doesn't suck, it blows.
Ah.
Blow job joke of the day.
Come on. I'm taking it to the living room where it's wide open.
Where it's wide open. Vagina joke. I am going to be flagged for this. Move your ass.
Take it. Take it.
He's like, wait, bullet. Oh shit, bullet.
I think he's giving up.
He's like, socks. Shoot at something, maybe he'll go after it. Yeah, he's done. He's done.
Yeah, he's done.